Hi friends, how are you today?
Hi too. Good news.
Yes, good news too.
I'm Will.
Have you seen or along been a plane?
Yesterday, Sarul and I went to see the condition. There were some that were cut by pens and size, but still a few were cut, a touch cut cross, as there were only a few surely leaves, and there were also pens. Names Names up pins, but the numbers were still small.
That's right. It's still small scale that we saw. That saw that was attacked. So why?
We just come for the pets and the sizes on all long biplanes have standard to big attack a lot. Like what you said earlier, where the right side of the long bed log has the attack. And there are also some pets that are on the plates. We with observation that is there there are gropers, fruit flies, and also aphids that are starting to get quitting a lot. It's better if we start control them.
Yes, or peanut plants have experienced a lot of attacks, such as symptoms that can be seen physically, namely from hollow leaves, wrinkled leaves, plum light, and encrang ends that are a plant with peanuts. And this is a very dangerous for plants if not controlled quickly. It will spread extinct disease and a pitch can keep coming to our long bean plants.
Therefore, we must immediately spray the plant parts that are attacked by plants and decide using pesticides.
In my opinion, it is better for us to control it using biological and infectable pesticide only safe for the environment and for us.
It will take a long time and may not be effective.
We should not think short about this, friends, because it is very dangerous for our environment and our health if it is used continuously, and we may become dependent on using disease chemical pesticide, and new pitch will emerge for our plants if a chemical pesticide are used.
That's right. It's better for us to lose an observation. Probably wet pens and diseases are attacking our long plants, so that we can control them either by biological agents or by making factable pesticides.
Well, your opinion is also right. Then to use vegetable pesticides. You're definitely need material and tools and way to make them. Do you know how?
I'm also still look for reference. I have to know what I know, namely how to make vegetable pesticide for garlics, aluminum, stephium, and namely materials and tools. Actifying grams or garlics, 50 ml of vegetable oil, 10 ml of detergent soap, 950 or water, filter and bottle. And the way of making it is to mix garlic with vegetable oil, less standard for 24 hours, and water and soap. Mix well, store in bottle for maximum of 3 days. How to use for plants? Mix the solution with water in ration of 1 to 9 or 50 of solution with 950 of water. Check before us. Spare all parts on place the air attack by pens in the morning. Operated tigers are cat- cat- caterpillars, sucking pests, nematodes, bacteria, and and anthracons power the mildew. Maybe the is a cancer.
Okay, we can try to control in naturally first, but if there is still to change in the near future, we can apply chemical pesticides that is spraying with pesticides as a last step. How?
Acceptable, but we must try to use a plant-based pesticide first. After using it, will also continue to pay attention to its care later. If later we continue to have a lot of a page and disease detect, we will use the last opinion, which is to use a chemical pesticide, because as we know, the use of a chemical pesticide in a cultivation land will be very dangerous, which is not good for our healthy and our environment later and can cause new page in our cultivation land. So it's better to use a vegetable pesticide.
That's right. Yes, and this really needs attention. Thank you, friend, for giving me information and input about this. And in the future, I will try to reduce the use of chemical pesticide if I cultivate and kind of plant.
Okay, friends, because it's better for us to pivot the map to our current environment by starting to record chemical plastics. Later, the adding more knowledge aspects of environmental damage caused by the continuous use of disease chemical pesticides. So, When sold, we make vegetable pastries and are tools to apply things to our lives.
How about Saturday morning or afternoon? Because if there are plant pets that we encounter, we can control them mechanically if on a small scale. And for the manufacture can be done the day before fatigue.
Okay, then don't forget to bring the necessary equip, equipment later and be on time.
All right. Let's suggest our meeting today. Thank you all, Chris, for all of us.